Imagine discovering a hidden planet that has eluded our perception for centuries. This enigmatic celestial body follows an elongated elliptical orbit, remaining hidden until now, soon to reveal itself. Welcome to the revelation of Nibiru, also known as Planet X. Welcome to Urban Legends and Myths. Step into the inaugural episode of our enthralling series, where we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of Anunnaki, Nibiru, and ancient civilization. Join us as we delve into Planet X's hidden presence in our solar system. Please subscribe to our channel and help us grow. Hit that bell icon and become a part of the journey into the unknown. Nibiru, or Planet X revelation, isn't mere speculation. It originates from the visionary insights of Satirius Sitchin. Born in Azerbaijan on July 11, 1920, Sitchin's intellectual journey led him from the University of London, where he earned a degree in economics, to the heart of ancient mysteries. As an editor and journalist in New York from 1952, Sitchin's professional path unfolded as an executive for a shipping company. Yet, his true passion lay in the exploration of Sumerian writings and the investigation of archaeological wonders. Sitchin's expertise culminated in a series of groundbreaking books, unraveling the enigmatic tapestry of ancient civilizations. His magnum opus, The 12th Planet, published in 1976, sparked a cosmic revelation. Sitchin proposed the existence of an undiscovered celestial body beyond Neptune, Nibiru, or Planet X. This mysterious planet follows a prolonged elliptical orbit, remaining hidden until it ventures close to the inner solar system every 3,600 years. Sitchin's books gained global popularity, with millions of copies published in various languages. While Sitchin's theories face widespread rejection from scientists, academics, historians, including Sumerologists, Orientalists, and Assyriologists, key branches within ancient studies. But recent archaeological excavations have uncovered ancient records such as the Enuma Elish, suggesting the potential existence of Nibiru and its connection to the Anunnaki within ancient civilizations. Why did Sitchin put forth the notion of the 12th planet? Why not the 9th or 10th? What revelations have recent archaeological excavations brought to light? To decode this cosmic mystery, we will dive into the depths of Mesopotamia, the cradle of civilization, in our next episode. Join us in the forthcoming episode of Anunnaki, Nibiru, and Ancient Civilization Uncovered.